Welcome to Ratios Level 1. So let's think about a ratio like 3 cups of flour and we'll pick a favorite ratio for our friends here in D16, 4 cups sugar. So what happens if we want to double that? So then we'd have, we'd double it, so we'd have 6 flour and 8 sugar. At a new kind of problem that you have. So what if you have that ratio of 3 to 4, and you want to find out, well, how much can I have altogether, and you know that you have 16 cups of sugar. And so the easy way to look at that then is to say, well, I've taken the 4 and I've multiplied it by 4, so the same thing is going to happen to the 3. So I'm going to do a times 4 relationship, and I'll have 12. I'll need 12 cups of flour. Now let's take a look at another one. Let's say that you use 4 cups of flour for every 2 cups of sugar, and then you say, well, but I had 11 cups of sugar. So then what's my number up top going to be? When you look at that, you think, well, maybe what I can do is look at a different relationship. So when I look at this relationship, at first it's hard to see. So there is a multiplication there, but it's not by an even number. But from top to bottom, we see it's a divided by 2, or the top is, you could think of it this way, is times 2, or down here it's divided by 2. And so if we go from 11 and we times 2, we'd say, okay, it's 22. The top is 2 times bigger than the bottom. Okay? So those are the 2 ways that you want to look at these. What's the top, the bottom relationship, what's the side to side? So let's look at a couple more. All right, so let's say that you had 3 to 2, you had that relationship, and you say, well, what if I had then 10 of something? How much would I have the top quantity? And you say, well, the easy one to look at is the times 5 relationship. So we'd say, oh, well, this thing will be times 5, will be 15. Okay. What if we had on the other, we had something like this, we had a 6 to 2, and the question was, well, how much would that be to 13? Okay, this relationship side to side, not as easy to see, but this one, top, 3 times bigger. And so our top has to be 3 times bigger, so we take 13, this would be 13 times 3 would be 39.